So this is Casa Aliwalas at night. Solo namin. It's Friday. So bukas. Meron sana kanina kaso marami sila. So hindi sila kasya dito. Puro lalaki. So they don't have lights dito sa mga niyog. Coconut trees. Pero yung mga katabi, mga kapatid nila yan, magkakapatid sila, ay maliwanag. And we have light, so it's okay na rin. Percent. Oh, by the way, pag naglagay kayo ng tent, dapat may extra layer kayo kung manipis yung higaan nyo kasi talagang ramdam nyo yung bato. So, dapat makapal ang higaan nyo. Just so you know. Alright? Ganito ang sitwasyon sa gabi. Mayroong mga 1, 2, 3, 4 na mga cottages. Yan ang may ilaw. Ito. So, ito lang. Isa lang ang sinindihan. So, merong dalawang akyatan. Isa rito at saka isa doon. So, dito na tayo. By the way, we have electricity. You just have to bring your own extension. So, that's 300 pesos per night. And about the car, since we have car camping, we avail the car camping. So, that's another $600 to park there. But if you want free, you can park there sa hotel nila. Alright, we're going right there right now. Not to the hotel, but I'll show you yung kanilang facilities. Shower room. So this is the parking. Maluwag naman. At pala ang kanilang solar. Dito lang sa hotel. So there you go. CA Casa Aliwalas. So, ayan na. Camp with us. So anyway, dito pa yung isang daan. Dito mga sasakyan papasok. And then you can park anywhere there. Tapos ngayon, pupunta tayo sa toilet. Malinis. So, ito yung sa lalaki. Yep. Ito naman yung sa babae. So, wala silang flush sa toilet. So, they use tabo. Water. Hindi siya barado, kaya lang nakasara yun. So, hindi ko na pinakaialaman. Alright, may exhaust. So, ito naman ang sink. If you're cooking something, ayan, may pwede dito magluto, I guess. I don't know if there's an additional fee. Tapos ito yung kanilang hugasan. Pero may hugasan din doon. Yeah. So, ito naman, shower. Ito kanina ginamit ko yung una. May hinang shower, pero malakas yung grapo. There you go. Dapat bukas ito kasi. Buksan lang natin kasi para yung hangin. So, mahinang shower dito sa first, malakas doon sa ano. I mean, you know. Sabi ng husband ko, saan siya nag-shower? Mayroon pa pala dito. So, baka dito siya nag-shower. So, there you go. I gotta open this one too. Kulog. Oh. So, anyway. Maano din dyan. Malakas daw. So, anyway, hanggang doon. Kung ano meron diyan. So, I guess that's another shower room. Male, 2 doors. And female, 2 doors. And this one. Please turn off the lights. Okay, I'll turn off the light. Did I use this thing? Yeah, I did. I'll show it to you. So, okay. Trash. Tapos, yung nagre-recycle din sila. So, yun. Yun lang. Doon sa isang sink, may yung basurahan nila, nagre-recycle sila. So, 3 yun. So, yung papunta rito medyo hindi sementado. Kaya 4-wheel is okay. Pero may nakita kami mga kotse. Okay naman, basta very slow talaga ang driving. Kasi pwedeng mabutas yung gulong mo. So, that's the other sink. Mainit yung lalabas na tubig sa una. I don't know why. And then, that's the trash. 3 yan. So, they recycle, which is good. Tapos yung beach naman, kasi may environmental fee. Ito rin, malinis naman. Malinis naman. Yung, ngayon walang gwardiya kasi kami lang. Siyempre hindi daw naman malulugi daw siya pag nagbayad siya ng gwardiya para bantayan kami. Medyo worried ako na noong una, pero since nakita ko may mga campers kami, so everything's good. Ito ang laki talaga. I think they're Christian people. So anyway, yeah, Casa Liwalas. This is our second time with our dog, with our Yorkie. Kawawa naman. Alright, so that's our setup, our tent. Medyo mahangin ngayon. And these are our beautiful birds flying with flying colors. Charo. Okay, enjoy. Bye.